Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Fitia app. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Fitia app and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Fitia app, date and mail planner. Here we'll uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching and enjoy.